What is up guys, Mike from JDM Icon here. In today's video we're working on the Z because I got a quick release for it. Now I know I said in a previous video that I'm not super keen on quick releases because of a lot of the TikToks that I've been watching. It kind of inspired me to get the quick release that dings. So I really hope this is the one that actually dings. I'm not too sure, so I want to install it, try it out. The thing I don't like about quick releases is it makes this part of the steering wheel way too thick and it pushes the steering wheel way too close to me. If this is the one that dings, it's gonna be totally worth it. Also, another thing I wanted to show you guys is my rear view mirror. I ended up putting a sticker, bad choices equal good stories, which is really true. I don't know, I really like this sticker and I think it looks super awesome. So first things first, we're gonna have to remove all 6 of these bolts to take the steering wheel off, and then I'll be able to remove this little like adapter spacer thing because this is like a Momo bolt pattern. This is obviously an RD steering wheel. So we'll be deleting and removing this spacer and then replacing it with the quick release. Alright, so we're just about done taking off the adapter. Boom. This is the quick release I got. It's just an all black one. This is the brand. I'm really hoping that this is the one that dings. What we're gonna have to do is bolt on this piece onto here, and then from that connect the horn and see if that works also. We are honestly running out of daylight because I started really late. Hopefully we can get this thing done. Alright, so I got everything plugged in for the horn, so now when I press the horn, I touch it, this actually works, so that's good. I thought I needed a ground because there are 2 terminals inside there. Pretty sure the horn button grounds itself on the actual hub, because when I press it, it doesn't do anything, but when I press it and then touch it, it actually works. So we're all good there. I don't think I need a ground. So now all I have to do is bolt up the steering wheel, and already it is super close to me. I'm gonna have to adjust the seat. Hopefully if this dings, I'm gonna be happy. If not, I might just not even put this on my car because I like the way the steering wheel is with that spacer, because I'm really picky with how far my hands are from the washer fluid and the turn signals. If this dings, I am a-okay with that, but if it doesn't ding, I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen all the TikToks with the quick release dinging and stuff, so I really want that. I'm gonna put the steering wheel on and hope, cross my fingers, that it's gonna ding, because that's all we're after right now. We just want the ding. All right, so oh no, it doesn't ding. I honestly thought because this is like the metal quick release, it should ding, but I guess I was wrong. The horn works though. Oops. Is there anyone around to see that? Let me try it again. Doesn't ding! Oh my god, I'm so sad. I have to figure out which one dings. I thought it was the carbon fiber one that doesn't ding, but I guess this brand doesn't ding either. It's kind of cool though. I've never had a quick release before. So it's cool to be able to like take off your steering wheel, right? But so it's in now. I think it works, but it just doesn't ding. Oh my god, guys, I am so bummed about this. I'm actually so bummed because I really want the one that dings. And this is what I was talking about. Like, you see how far my hand is from like the actual turn signal right here? I actually have to take my hand off the steering wheel to just use the turn signal. Josh and I are gonna be opening a package. This is actually for Josh's car. And it is from Night Runner International. Okay, so before we start, you wanna just explain who Night Runner is? Okay, well, Night Runner is a brand from Vancouver. It has like kind of like a Japanese aesthetic. I don't really know what else to say about it. Like, they sell apparel, they sell really cool decals and stuff like that. And they actually did a collab with Willens, which is a, what do you call that? Like they make harnesses. Yeah, racing harnesses, so, basically. That's what's inside here. At least I hope. But that's what I ordered. If you guys aren't familiar with Night Runner, they have like limited release stuff, and this is one of their limited releases. Josh ordered their harnesses and we just wanted to unpackage it and show you guys the unboxing.
only because we don't have our Evos out anymore. We don't work on them because it is winter, if you guys didn't know. So all we can do is just stare at the parts.
Yeah, basically we got 2 NOS bottles just chilling over there, but
yeah,
I don't know if that's gonna go in any of our cars. They
There's
just
a
look
lot
cool.
of stuff that I also ordered for the Evo.
It's actually really cool though. They
Yeah.
have like the tape.
It says thank you for your support and stuff like that.
Kind of reminds me of like the caution tape, you know, and like.
Yeah.
Woo! Damn.
Can I not just take it out myself?
Oh, you got Night Runner stickers? Those
Yo.
stickers? Those stickers?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
so
cool.
they gave me free.
Damn,
Yo,
you
I
got
didn't even
slap?
order these. So shout out to Reggie at Night Runner for packing all this and putting extra stickers.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I like this.
Cause they sell these on their site, but I guess he just this is the receipt. I'm assuming. Moment of truth.
Yeah, moment or two. Let's see it.
Oh,
Damn, that looks really good.
dude.
Damn,
Yeah, I
that-
just want to take a
that
picture.
feels good too.
Oh, it's like it's not like suede, but it kind of feels like it. It's
Yeah,
weird.
it's a different material. It looks really good.
I was really worried because I ordered the black one first, and then I actually changed my mind and I emailed them and I was like, yo, I ordered the white one or the black one, and I kind of wanted the white one instead, so they switched it for me.
Watch how the other one you open is gonna be black, dude.
No, I hope not.
Watch, they're just like, yeah,
But
we'll
the
just throw
thing
in a
is-
black one just to fuck up your build, bro.
The thing is, these are white, right? So
Yeah.
that's the problem with it. Like, I feel like it's gonna get dirty super easily. I mean, we don't really need to open this because it's the same thing.
All right, it's gonna be black. It's gonna be black. It's gonna be black.
Let's see.
No, that's why.
Yo, I saw this and I was like, oh shit. But yeah, dude, these are sick.
Yeah, those
I'm
look
so
actually
happy.
really good. Well made too.
Willens. I've never heard of it before.
Yeah, I've never heard of it too. I
Until
have
this
Takadas
collab.
in
If
my
it wasn't
email,
for this
but-
collab, I would have not ordered this because I really like the limited type stuff. I wanted to get Night Runner or Never Content. I don't know if you guys know what Never Content is. It's kind of like a brand like Night Runner, and I wanted to order their flip up, like their Worksbell tilt hub.
Yeah.
And they sold out within like probably minutes.
I remember Josh and I were on the Never Content website, and within 3 minutes, all of the quick releases were sold out.
Should I show
So
them the receipt?
I'm kind of bummed that we didn't see we didn't get the quick release, but this is how much they were.
Just for the set.
There, $945
US.
for seat belts.
I know they're gonna be a pain. Like Mike has harnesses in his
Yeah.
car and I hate them, but these ones were white, so I had to cop.
Dude, to be honest, okay, so the harnesses in my Evo aren't really that bad because it has the one connecting point down in the center. So you basically only have to put on the 2 straps, if that makes sense. This one is a 4-point, so you have to connect all 4 points
Yeah.
just to put the
Wait,
seatbelt
are
on.
these
Mine's
4
only a 1-point, if that makes sense.
They have 6.2, right?
They have 6-point, which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
basically
I
the
got the
crotch.
lowest ones.
So here, there's kind of a picture here. So this one, each strap has a point, so hence that's why they make it a 4-point. Mine, these 2 are already connected, so you just have to connect them in the center.